She's faith-filled, purpose-driven, kingdom-minded, got a vision. She's making moves, building wealth and using tech with precision. Proverbs 31:31, give her the fruit of her hand. She's a boss, she's a queen, she's got purpose in her plans.
Hey fam, I need to tell you something that might completely change how you see technology. You don't need to learn coding anymore to build something powerful. And if you've ever told yourself, I'm not techie, or that's not for people like me, well, today I'm going to show you what actually changed and why women are entering tech in a completely different way right now. Now, if you're new here, I'm Dr. Tisha D. Colston, certified AI consultant and the founder of She Thinks AI, where I help women, coaches, creators, and entrepreneurs be seen, be heard, and get paid with AI. And what we're missing right now is one of the biggest shifts in technology history. For years, technology had a gatekeeper. If you wanted to build an app, create software, or launch something digital, you had to learn complicated coding languages, spend years of studying, or hire expensive developers. So most people, especially women with ideas, stayed in the idea phase, not because they lacked vision, but because the tools were not accessible. AI changed the interface. And the new programming language is conversation. So instead of writing code line by line, you describe what you want to build. You explain the outcome. You refine the idea. You collaborate with AI. And your ability to communicate your vision has become more important than technical skill. And that is a massive shift. So right now, your ideas, your experiences, your ability to teach or solve problems are becoming buildable assets. So you can literally say, I want to create an app that helps women track prayers, and AI helps you structure it. And that's what we call vibe coding, building from vision instead of computer language. Now, women have always been communicators and teachers and problem solvers and community builders. And guess what? Guess what AI responds best to? Clarity, context, and communication. The very skills many women already have. So this moment isn't about catching up to tech. It's about tech finally catching up to how we naturally think and create. So you're not late. You are early to a new version of building. You don't have to become a programmer. You have to become a visionary builder. And once you understand that, everything changes. So in my next video, I'm going to show you what this looks like in real life, like how do ideas turn into apps without coding? Because seeing is when the fear really disappears. And if you're ready to start building instead of just watching, make sure you subscribe and come to my Vibe Coder workshop, which is being held soon. So just go to shethinksai.com for the next workshop. Now, until we meet again, hey, listen, you be blessed, be fruitful, and
kingdom-minded, got a vision. She's making moves, building wealth and using tech with precision. Proverbs 31:31, give her the fruit of her hand. She's a boss, she's a queen, she's got purpose in her plans.